Good afternoon, my dear students. Today's class, I am here to discuss on a case study on the topic pile foundation. Before going to the case study, let us discuss what is pile foundation. Pile foundation is a kind of deep foundation which is adopted in situations where there is highly compressible soils and where the bearing capacity is very low and the intensity of load acting on the soil is maximum. So in these conditions, it is best to adopt pile foundation so that the settlement of the building is greatly reduced on adoption of pile foundation. So pile foundation is a kind of foundation which is drilled into the ground surface, soil surface up to the hard strata, or else to the most competent strata below a highly compressible soil. So we are here to discuss about the case study where pile foundation is adopted in real-time structures. The best example is in our country itself, Mumbai Bandra-Worli Sea Link bridge, which is made up of pile foundation. The rest will be addressed by Harish, followed by Santosh, Kamesh and Niranjan. We can discuss about the pile foundation adopted in Mumbai Bandra-Worli Sea. Can you give a short introduction about the Sea Link project?
Actually, the Bandra-Worli Sea Link is officially known as Arabian Sea Link, in which it's built over 5.6 kilometers long. It's built over Arabian Sea, and the site condition is quite complicated because it's constructed over a coastal region, in which it consists of soft clay and the hard rock also.
I am going to explain about the foundation. So the front side it is one of the biggest bridge, cable bridge. The engineer's choice is about the board inside concrete pipe because it's easy to adapt and able to construct in the site. So we can adapt and design as per the requirement. It was a high structure concrete. It is a main traffic and roads carrying between the bridges. So they choose this type of pile foundation. The pile size diameter is about 1.5 to 2 meters. The length of the pile is about 20 to 30 meters below the seabed because it will provide a stable structure to the foundation for them. They design the load as per the vertical and frontal loads, which means dead load, live load and seismic under the wind load. These are the considered taken over the bridges and the foundation for their further usage. Thank you. These are about the foundation design of this bridge.
Over to Kamesh.
I am going to explain about the construction methods. There are four methodology. The first methodology is marine platform setup. Water jetties were used to set up the platform for this pipe. And second step is drilling process.
Okay.
Rotary drill pipes were used to drill this borehole because it will collapse the marine soil. Third step is reinforcement step. The reinforcement was designed like a cage, and the cage reinforcement was carefully placed into the borehole with the help of crane. The last step is concrete pouring. The concrete field is used the method of termite piping. They use high strength cast-in-situ concrete to fill this space.
Thank you, Kamesh. Over to Niranjana for the challenges faced.
I am going to discuss about the challenges faced. The first one is soil variations, and the second one is logistics, and the third one is line variations. These are the challenges we have faced on rotating dams. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, my dear students, for briefing a case study on. I hope this case study video will be useful to everyone, and I request everyone to go through the video and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.